Hey guys, my name's Troy. Good morning, and I'm going to be going over how to set up your first landing page using Instapage. And there's going to be additional instructional videos on each component of the process. So I've been using Instapage for the last little while, and I really like it. It's drag and drop. It has hosting for you. It can integrate in with websites. But for me, it's just really easy to get things going. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so I'm assuming you're logged into Instapage, and we're just going to create our first landing page. So you just select create new page, and you're going to use the drag and drop. Now there's going to be a whole bunch of different templates here. For this demonstration, we're just going to use the plain blank page. So you click edit. We're going to just do a really clean landing page. You can call it whatever you want. A lot of times, the simpler a landing page is, the better. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to get rid of these extra sections. So you can see how you got the little dotted lines here. These are additional sections that you can have, and they serve a purpose, but not for today. So you can just hover over it and click delete. And same with here. So basically, we've only got one section, which is exactly what we want. Now, you'll see this section within the dotted lines, and that is essentially your work area. Anything outside the line will be used, but only if the web browser is stretched that large, and I'm going to show you with a picture here shortly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a background for our page. It's using a picture. So to do that, you go into settings and background. Now there's a number of places you can get pictures from. Make sure that it's legal, you're not copying from anywhere. And you're going to want to use good quality, good color, not washed out pictures, depending on, obviously depending on the style that you're looking for, but make sure they're good quality. So you just click background image. If you haven't uploaded already, just upload a picture. And I've got some here for my sample. I use Big Stock. I subscribe to them for pictures. They're great. And so here's a stock picture I have for the background. And you insert the image. Now, typically I'll use the stretch and just leave it to normal and stretch. So now I just I paused the recording for a bit here, and I just noticed something as I was going through this, and I've come across it now and then, but I just wanted to show you something. The first time you upload a picture, so the process that we went through of uploading that previous picture, and I wasn't able to select the stretch, and I just did a test and I used another graphic, and I'm not able to get the stretch going at all the first time I upload. But I did notice, so if I just click on this particular one, if I just leave it whatever and say done and save, if I go into the settings, background, I can now select the stretch. So just something to note, if you try to click the stretch when you first upload the image, you're not going to be able to select that. So just a little workaround there. So I'm just going to change it back to this one here on my test. I actually created a new page. So I'll go through that process again. So if we do an upload, insert the image is now selected stretch, I believe, because I already had my previous picture there. So just a little bit of a bug there. If you can't select the stretch, just click save and go out of the picture or the setting and back in, and you should be okay. All right, so we've got our background image added, and the stretch works. So as we resize the page, so will the image. Okay, so that's it for that step.